So, what do you do for a living? How many times have you been asked that question? Or asked it yourself? No matter what the answer is, you immediately have an impression about that profession. A nurse. A teacher. A lawyer.
Verdict, guilty.
Each one conjures up a different stereotype about the job. So, what do you think when someone says, "I work in public relations"?
Sometimes people contact me to help them reputationally after they've broken the law, assuming that, and I quote, "Well, I thought that's just what PR people do." Like if you throw enough money at the problem, some PR or spin doctors will step in and smooth things over for you.
Is that what PR people do? Pocket blank checks to make the bad news go away? Are they really spin doctors trying to manipulate the masses?
I think that we need to start talking more openly about some of the challenges we face within our industry. So let's lift the veil of secrecy around our profession and actually explore whether the general public even knows what PR people really do. I'll bet most of them don't.
Welcome to Deep Dive, powered by Coldwater Communications. Real talk about the reality of public relations with the people who live it.
I feel like people within the PR industry, and certainly in Vancouver, know each other and know that we're mostly good people trying to do good work. We have a good reputation among our peers, which is great, but I don't think it's enough.
From fears of cancel culture to PR pitfalls to the sliding scale of ethics, you'll hear candid conversations with proven leaders on topics that go far beyond superficial clickbait.
In terms of reputation, public relations is bad and strategic communications is good. What's the difference? There really is none.
Subscribe to Deep Dive everywhere you discover your favorite podcasts.